How to fix passive voice on Grammarly. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can fix the passive voice on Grammarly. Well, if you're using Grammarly editor on app.grammarly.com and you're starting to write here, then on the right hand side you'll find various options. You can see Grammarly proofreader, you can see paraphraser, you can see expert review, humanizer. What you can do is you can use humanizer and then you can use the everyday voice here and get the voice here, right? And it'll ask you to correct here verb tense for clarify. You can correct it as well. You can also use the AI here. Now if I had written it here this way, then what you can do is you can use Grammarly proofreader and you can check the Grammarly writings here. If you can see AI chat here, so you can see I can change it to active as well. So this is all the editing options that you'll get it right here. You'll get the paraphraser, you'll get expert review, reader reactions, humanizer, and all such. If this video helped you, like and subscribe.